everyone, today I'm excited to show you how to make mini chicken shawarma at home. So let's get started. Let us start by cooking the chicken. In a bowl, add chicken, add salt to it. Now add red chili powder, black pepper powder, ginger and garlic paste, curd to marinate nicely. Add oil, add juice of lemon, red chili sauce. Mix well and marinate for at least 1 hour. Marinated chicken is ready. Keep aside. Heat kadhai. Add marinated chicken in it. Cook on medium heat for 5 to 6 minutes. Cover the lid for 10 to 12 minutes. Open the lid. Chicken is tender. Cook on high heat for 5 to 6 minutes. Dry off the water completely. The chicken is dry and ready. Keep aside. Now we'll prepare the veggies for the shawarma. Take chopped capsicum, diced and peeled cucumber, finely chopped cabbage, cherry tomatoes if it is available. Add white vinegar for the punch, sugar to balance the taste, add pepper powder, mix and keep it for 1 hour in the fridge. Now we'll prepare the sauce for the shawarma. Take mayonnaise in a bowl. Add fresh garlic paste to it. Add fresh cream, white pepper powder, salt a pinch. Mix well and make a smooth sauce. Mayo garlic sauce is ready. Keep it aside. Let's prepare the dough for the pita bread. Take lukewarm water. Add sugar to it. Add dry instant yeast. Mix lightly and leave for 10 minutes. In a big bowl, add refined flour. Add salt to it. Rub the salt properly in the flour. Now use the yeast mix in the flour. Add all the yeast mix. Make a soft dough for the pita bread. You can use water while making a dough if required. oil. Mix well in the dough. The dough should be soft and fluffy. Apply the oil on top. Cover and rest for at least 2 hours or the till dough becomes double. See, the dough is double in size. Dust the flour. Take 1/4 of the dough. Roll it out. Make sure not to roll out very thin. The pita bread should be little thick. Cut it in roundels with the help of any cap. You can see how easily this process is. Take out the roundels. See, the roundels are little thick. All the pita breads are ready. Cover and keep for 10 to 15 minutes. Heat pan. Arrange the pita breads on top. Cover and cook for 3 minutes on low heat. Open the lid. Turn off the sides. Cook on direct heat for 10 seconds with the help of the tongs. Now it's time to assemble the shawarma. Arrange pita breads on bottom of the plate. Apply mayo garlic sauce on it. Now time to keep veggies. Veggies are nicely fermented with vinegar. Add chicken on top. Garnish with cherry tomatoes. Garlic sauce on top. These bite-sized shawarma are packed with flavor and love. Hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.